Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I have some special treats for you. Your word of the day is gratitude. Gratitude is an attitude, Virgo. Are you ready to be blessed? You have to praise in the shed. You have to praise in the studio apartment. You need to praise while you're laying and sleeping on your friend's couch. Because when you praise for the small needs, blessings that you have, which are great grand blessings, because all your needs are met. Once you praise seeing that your needs are met, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ, they understand that you're going to praise when they send you to the mansion, when they upgrade you to the seaside heights of the beachfront mansion right off the beach, the hundreds of acres of land, the custom built house, because you're willing to praise on the couch in the studio in the smallest place as if you're in that grand place. So they're going to upgrade you, and they can't wait to see the type of blessings, the type of praise and gratitude you're going to have for the huge things, just because you're praising for the small things. The smallest source of joy can be a great source of gratitude. Being able to breathe, walk, talk, laugh at a clumsy baby, laugh at a clumsy dog, laugh at yourself. That could place you in a positive place, just to enjoy the place that you are. Enjoy where you are. Praise in your darkness, praise in your small blessings. Therefore, we know you're going to do that in your big ones. I'm aware of the light in my life, and I direct thoughts to the beauty in and around me. All your gifts, I give thanks to God in every little thing that brings me joy. Thus, I enlighten my thoughts. Riches surround me as they start rushing in because they're ready for the praise. I appreciate all that life brings me. All needs are met, and get ready for your breakthrough. Gratitude, that's key. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.